We have moved up to the center of the country now to the second largest glacier of Iceland, the huge Langjökull Glacier. There it is looming up behind these mountains. I guess that can give you a sense of the size of this glacier. And what do glaciers do in the summertime? That's right, they melt. And where does all that water go? That's right, into a magnificent waterfall named Gullfoss, the Golden Waterfall. The water cascades down 95 feet and is swept into a narrow gorge which causes thunderous noise and drenching spray. This whole area was once owned by a farmer, Thomas Thomasson, and when foreign investors pressured him and his daughter to sell them the area to build a huge power station, father and daughter went to the Icelandic parliament. Thomas's daughter even threatened to throw herself into the falls if their beauty were compromised. And so Iceland bought the area and forever saved these beautiful falls. Time for another excursion. This time we'll visit Iceland's most sacred and historical site, a national shrine called Þingvellir. It was here in the year 930 AD that the world's oldest existing parliament, the Althing, met to enact laws for Iceland. But Þingvellir offers another attraction to the visitor. The mid-Atlantic fault, which for most of its length is buried in the sea, actually surfaces here, pushing up massive cliffs on both sides of the rift. It is possible then to walk down one side of the rift, the European plate, cross over to the other, the North American plate, and literally be standing between two continents. And just before I leave you, take a look at Gullfoss Waterfall. Legend has it that there's a chest of gold buried under it. What do you think? Well, that does it from Iceland, land of the midnight sun. It's not quite midnight now, it's only 11:15 p.m., but it's August, late August, and the sun begins to go down much earlier. Well, until we see you the next time on Let's Visit, this is Dave Welsh saying au revoir.